In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to hide the sidebar for page in Elementor. To do so, all you need to do is move to the Page Editor window. I'm already in the Page Editor, but if you need help editing a page with Elementor, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, to remove this sidebar from the page here, all you need to do is click on the settings icon here and move to Page Layout Settings. From the drop-down menu, simply select Elementor Full Width Page Layout. Selecting this will hide the sidebar and display the full page. You can see the changes here. Once done, let's update the page. Now, let's view the page from the front end. And this is how the page appears, and the sidebar has been removed successfully. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.